this time. I don't want no texts. It's called. Would you stop laughing over there? I can hear you, you know.
Modeling chocolate.
Fondant.
Daddy ice.
So what did you guys do last night?
Modeling chocolate.
I definitely did not do modeling chocolate. I didn't. I had some nice.
I got my fake.
I had some zippy red wine with my ma to toast the new year.
Red wine?
Yeah.
You're only 17.
Some rosé. Listen, it ain't no crime.
Actually it is.
No, it's not.
When I was a youngin',
You still are a youngin'.
picking the grapes from the vine and squishing them with our feet. That was
Modeling chocolate.
People still
Fondant.
do that.
Modeling chocolate.
People still
Fondant.
do that.
Daddy
fondant.
ice. Modeling chocolate.
How?
Plus, you still are a youngin'.
Why are you giving me that look? I don't get why you're giving me that look.
Modeling
I wish the camera could see your eyes right now because I don't trust them. I don't trust them.
Don't trust these eyes?
Nobody trusts
You don't?
these eyes. No.